Okay, so before we move into the next section of this course, I want to point out Excel shortcut keys. Because once we start working inside of Excel, we actually might be using some of these shortcut keys. Now, depending if you're on Windows or Mac or a full keyboard versus a laptop keyboard, your shortcut keys may be a little different than mine. But in the Resource tab, if you click this link, it'll take you to the Microsoft Support Excel shortcut keys. If you go to the Windows tab, it will give you all the Excel shortcut keys for Windows. Same thing for the Mac. If you scroll down, it will give you a list of all the shortcut keys related to the Mac keyboard. Now throughout the course, anytime I'll use a shortcut key, I'll give you the Windows version and the Mac version. Trust me, no one is expected to remember all these shortcuts because everyone's needs are different. The shortcuts that you use often might be a little different than the ones that I primarily use. The fact is, the more shortcuts you use and try to remember, it will help you save a lot of time and help you become more efficient in Excel. The only way to start remembering these shortcuts is to actually practice them. So anytime there is a shortcut available to use, do it. And over time, once you keep on doing these shortcuts, it will become natural to you. So you know that Ctrl C is copy, Ctrl V is paste. Ctrl Z, as in zebra, is undo. And throughout the course, you'll see more shortcuts that we'll use. And I'm not going to go crazy with them, but I will show you some of the ones that I found really useful, which might be very useful to you as well. Alright, well, without further ado, let's get into the next section of this course.